everyone and welcome to Science Splat. This is the show where we prove to you that science is anything but boring. Today I have a great experiment for you that you can try yourself at home. I'm going to show you how you can make your very own tornado in a bottle. Tornadoes don't travel as far or get as big as hurricanes, but their powerful, twisting winds are the most fastest and dangerous on Earth. At the centre of a tornado is a spinning column of air called a vortex. Some tornadoes even have more than one vortex. This project lets you see what a tornado's vortex looks like, so grab some supplies and let's give it a go. So, to do this experiment, first you're going to need lots of space, so make sure you have a nice big table just like this one to work on. Then you'll need these materials. 2 2-litre bottles of fizzy drink bottles, a roll of electrical tape, super glue, water and last but not least some food colouring. You can find all these materials in your local supermarket, and if you need a reminder of the list, just visit our website www.sciencesplat.ie. So, this is how you make your very own tornado. Take the caps off both of the bottles and get a grown-up to make a hole in each of the caps. Don't try and do this yourself. Put a little super glue on one of the caps and stick them together just like this. You'll need to get an adult's help to do this, as super glue is extremely sticky and you could end up sticking your fingers together. Now, you have to wait for a few minutes for the glue to dry properly, or else the caps will leak and your tornado won't work properly. When you're sure that the glue is completely dry, use the scissors to cut off a square of electrical tape. Wrap a piece of electrical tape around the caps to join them really firmly together. This is your double cap or tornado tube. Screw the double cap onto one of the bottles and leave the other one uncapped for the moment. Now, because we can't get 200-mile-an-hour winds into a bottle, we'll be using water to create our very own tornado. Fill the uncapped bottle 3/4 full of water. You might need to use a funnel to do this so you can spill as little water as possible. If you want, you can add a drop of food colouring to the water, like this red one here. This makes the vortex easier to see at the end of the experiment. The food colouring is available in lots of different colours, so you can choose which one you like the best. Each bottle is around 99 cents and you'll only need to use about 1 drop, so this bottle will actually last you a very long time. Once you've managed to get all the water into the bottle, you can screw the other end of the double cap on. And make sure that you screw it on very tight. Now, this is the tricky bit. Hold the taped area tightly with one hand and the bottom of the lower bottle with the other hand. Turn the bottles quickly upside down and swirl them in a few circles just like this. Your tornado will materialise as the water drains into the bottom of the bottle. So, here we go. And just keep trying it until you get it. And there you have it, your very own tornado in a bottle. Let's have a quick recap to remind you what you have to do. First, get all your materials ready. 2 2-litre bottles, plastic bottles with caps, a roll of electrical tape, super glue, water and food colouring. Take the caps off both bottles, get a grown-up to help you do this, and put a small hole in each of the caps. Place the caps together and put a bead of super glue around the hole to seal it, and make sure that you let it dry as well. Wrap a piece of duct tape around the 2 caps to join them firmly together. Screw the double cap onto one of the pop bottles and fill the other pop bottle 3/4 full of water. Add food colouring or plastic confetti to the water if you want. Screw the empty bottle onto the top of the bottle containing the water. Hold the duct taped area with one hand of the bottle and the bottom of the bottle with the other hand. Turn the bottles upside down and swirl them in a few quick circles. And remember, you can find all this information on our website, www.sciencesplat.ie. Be sure to join me next week when I'll be showing you how to make a volcano out of sand and baking soda. Now, get out there and amaze your friends. Bye!